To learn how to use server-side APIs, you're going to collaborate with Amiko, who you met at a JavaScript meetup. Amiko wants to contribute to open source projects on GitHub. She's looking for projects that could benefit from her strongest skills, which are HTML and CSS. To find such projects, she spent a good amount of time browsing GitHub's Explore page, looking for projects with open issues. This was such a slow and tedious process that she decided to design a web application to simplify it. The application will let users search GitHub by username or topic and display matching projects along with the number of open issues they have. She's done the HTML and CSS for this application, but she doesn't know how to use GitHub's API to get the data she needs. That's where you come in. In order to finish this application, you'll need to learn how to use the public GitHub API. Fortunately, this API has great documentation. Once you determine how to communicate with the API, you'll use the browser's Fetch API to make the necessary HTTP requests with JavaScript. When you have the data you need, you'll use familiar JavaScript techniques to modify the HTML DOM to display the data you fetched. Along the way, you'll learn about the following: the HTTP client server model, query string parameters, which are like function parameters you can add to URLs, the useful information in HTTP request headers and response headers, how to access multiple server-side APIs and combine the results, how to use the Chrome DevTools Network tab to monitor and debug HTTP traffic. And as always, there will be lots of tips, tricks, and nerd notes to keep you entertained. Completing this project is a huge milestone because it combines everything you've learned about the front end side of full stack web development. All of your hard work is paying off. Let's get started on yet another impressive project.